So we finally saw the new lineup of the Samsung Galaxy devices at the Samsung Unpacked event. Now nothing really came as a surprise because everything had already been leaked, and the leaks were almost 80% to 100% accurate, except for a few things here and there, but every other thing was on point. So let's look at the difference between the Galaxy S20 series and the Galaxy S10 series. Should you upgrade or should you just maintain your current device? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the differences, the pros and the cons, then you now make the decision if you're going to buy the new or you're going to order the new Galaxy S20s, or you're just going to maintain your current phone. So starting out here with the cameras, the biggest change to this year's Galaxy lineups is in the cameras. The Galaxy S20 and the larger Galaxy S20 Plus both have 64 megapixel cameras and a 30 times zoom. The Galaxy S20 has a triple camera setup with a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, a 12 megapixel wide angle camera, and a 64 megapixel telephoto lens. While its bigger brother, the Galaxy S20 Plus, has a quadruple main camera that consists of the same lenses and sensors found on the Galaxy S20, but with additional depth sensing. So by comparison, the Galaxy S10 has 12 megapixel main camera, a 12 megapixel telephoto camera, and a 16 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. It can only zoom up to 10 times against the 30 times zoom on the Galaxy S20. The same goes for the Galaxy S10 Plus and the Galaxy S20 5G. But the most significant thing to note in these cameras is that the new sensors on the Galaxy S20 series are larger, which means they can actually take better photos in low light situations than the Galaxy S10 series. But the most significant camera change comes in the Galaxy S20 Ultra, which is the more premium model amongst the Galaxy S20 series. The Ultra model has a quad camera setup with a massive 108 megapixel wide angle camera. This is the largest camera that Samsung has ever put on any smartphone before. Now, according to Samsung, those 108 megapixels are also capable of grouping together to form one 12 megapixel sensor with larger pixels so that it can take in more light. Otherwise, it has a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera and a 48 megapixel telephoto lens, as well as a depth sensing camera. Another major difference between the Galaxy S10 series lineup and the Galaxy S20 series lineup is that the Galaxy S20 series can record 8K videos, while the Galaxy S10 series can only record 4K videos. All the Galaxy S20 series support 5G, while only the Galaxy S10 5G or supports 5G, the rest are just 4G. So moving over now to the display, Samsung has actually stopped the edge display with the Galaxy S20 series. So the Galaxy S20 series are coming with normal flat displays now, no longer curved displays, which is a deal breaker for me personally because I love the edge displays, but most people are not really in love with the edge display, so they prefer a flatter display. And also the displays on the Galaxy S20 series are a little bit larger now by either 1 inch or 2 inches against the displays on the Galaxy S10 series. For instance, the Galaxy S20 has a 6.2 inches display, while the Galaxy S10 has a 6.1 inches display. Then the Galaxy S20 Plus has a 6.7 inches display, while the Galaxy S10 Plus has a 6.4 inches display. Then the bigger Galaxy S20 Ultra has a 6.9 inches display, whereas the Galaxy S10 5G has a 6.7 inches display. The display on the Galaxy S20 Ultra is really large. By comparison, the iPad mini had a 7.9 inches display. Now the Galaxy S20 Ultra has a 6.9 inches display. That is almost the size of the display of the iPad mini. But to me, the most significant upgrade to the display is the 120Hz refresh rate, which is something we've been asking of Samsung for a long time now, and it never came. We expected the 120Hz refresh rate to come on the Galaxy Note 10, which never came. But Samsung has responded with the Galaxy S20 120Hz refresh rate, which I think is going to be a game changer for them. Now, it is important to note that the Galaxy S20 series are not the first phones to come with the 120Hz refresh rate. The Asus ROG Phone 2 comes with a 120Hz refresh rate. Both displays are made by Samsung. Because all the new Galaxy devices have a larger display, they all support 5G, and they have a higher 120Hz refresh rate, all these things consume battery. So Samsung had to bump up the batteries on the Galaxy S20 series. So by comparison with the Galaxy S10 series, the Galaxy S20 has a 4000 mAh battery, while the Galaxy S10 has a 3400 mAh battery. The Galaxy S20 Plus has a 4500 mAh battery, while the Galaxy S10 Plus has a 4100 mAh battery. Then the Ultra model of the Galaxy S20 has a 5000 mAh battery, while the Galaxy S10 5G has a 4500 mAh battery. It is important that you know that larger batteries on the Galaxy S20 series does not mean that the S20 series batteries are going to last longer than the batteries on the Galaxy S10 series. Remember, the displays on the Galaxy S20 series are now larger. They now support 120Hz refresh rate. So all these things will consume the battery faster. So until the devices go on sale and I'm able to get my hands on one, then I can try this out. But for now, theoretically speaking, The larger batteries on the S20 Plus might not really make any significant difference in terms of battery lasting longer. The Galaxy S20 series come in with 12GB of RAM as a standard. The Galaxy S10 came in with 8GB of RAM as a standard. Then you could get a particular model that had up to 12GB of RAM. Then as for the inbuilt memory, you're getting from 128GB up to 1TB, just like it was in the Galaxy S10. Okay guys, so these are just a few significant differences I thought I should mention. Now I'll still be coming up with more videos giving you guys updates on the devices so that it will help you make a purchasing decision in case you want to buy these phones or in case you want to make an order for the new Galaxy S20 lineup. Alright, so you can look at the screen here. There are other videos here. You can actually click and go and watch those videos while I prepare the next video to serve to you guys. Alright, so I'll catch you again in the next one.